Hello, hello, hello. I'm waiting for few people to come. Tell me what day I have to do back testing. Any day, any year. Saturday evening. Let me do a Sunday one. I don't know why my voice broke. A little strategy broke down. Bro, my strategy. Yeah, it's coming now. It's coming now. Give a month. Give a month. Give a month. Fast, fast, fast. Search Google. Uh, uh, Take a total of 5 days should fall between 22 to 25. We'll start with one of these dates. It's fine, bro. I have to put my this. Give a random date.
Okay, I found
It's
this on.
going there only. We'll take this day. First, this is 2024, March 5th, 2024. 2024, March 5th. And date, let it wait till today. Create session. We'll add session indicator in case we need this. So yeah, Anyone else? Hello, 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 hello. Mm, hello. Yeah, is it MacBook? Yeah, it is MacBook. Okay, so should we start? Six people are there. Please break down the strategy. Fine, sure. So, first thing you always look for is premium discount. Are we in premium price or are we in like discounted area? So from here, if you can see, there's a new day opening gap. I don't like this. It's not there in futures. There's Nasdaq. So price may be a little different. So if you mark from low to high, you have to see where price is. So currently we are in premium, right? So if you mark from the current swing low to current swing high, from here to here, we are in premium. Okay. So drag it to next high, still premium, drag it to next high. So what happens is the discounted area is this. I can actually blindly take shots till here. So this makes my discounted low. Okay, we have few more lows, but it doesn't matter how they are. So right now, where are we? We are in premium discount. We have a new day opening gap. So what these does is these acts as like magnet to price where price wants to go. If you go into like 4 hour again, same thing. See which gaps are getting respected or disrespected. Here we can clearly see that this gap right here is getting disrespected right here. Can you see? So once these gaps gets disrespected, what you can assume is the next candle to like flip, push bearish till where? Till this is the recent low. Okay. It may go till here or it won't, but our job is to find out where price wants to go most of the time. So stack up probabilities. So once we invert this higher time frame gap, what do I look for is okay, the bias is set for now. We are disrespecting this 4 hour gap. We have this discounted low. We have this new day opening gap. So price what it can do? It can push price bearish. Okay. So from there, scale down low time frames. What you can see, we are still respecting this hourly gap right here. Okay. As you can see right here, this hourly gap is getting respected. So still now I'm not that confirmed that it wants to go more lower. Just keep scaling down and see. Here we are respecting this gap. We came to this order block. This is a wick rejection. Okay. So this whole area acts as a rejection block. That's another concept. But I do look those things also. So right here, price is literally consolidating. Overall bearish trend right here. I can stick with the trend till where? Till some of these lows gets hit, or else I can use session indicator. We have right here is a previous day low. That's the previous day low. Another low is right here. Few more lows right there. So what I can do, wait for some structure right here, target till here. Okay, so that's the overall price action that I want to see. So what happens? Oh fuck. I have to change timing. It is around New York time. Like the time already went though. This should play out. The volume is there. Something like this. Keep more loss. I am actually skipping this day, okay. I didn't see the time. Fine. What is happening? Again, if you respect this gap, Right here, we are like disrespecting this gap also. Can see this gap got disrespected right here. That's a hourly gap. There's a swing trade because I skipped the day. If it works, that's good. I'm simply entering, okay. Bah. Fuck. Ah, I'm closing. This is not my trade. That's not my trade. Sorry. I simply opened it. But the strategy is same. The timings are different, but yeah, we inverted this 1 hour gap, premium discount. This is a discounted low. If it wants, it can go till here. Oh, we literally edged. I would have closed everything here. I'll move on to like next day. This is not my trade, please. Nah, I won't take that. I didn't see the timings. 6:59, remote drawings, 15 minute. Okay. From here we'll do. From here there's a real trading. Okay. So what I can see is again, how do I come with bias now? What is happening right here? We pushed lower, okay. We pushed lower, we didn't take out these lows. We left out like relative equal lows. Still my bias would be bearish till proven wrong, okay. I'll be bearish till price proves me that it doesn't want to go there. We are inverting few 4 hour gaps. We have this hourly gap right here. Okay, so 4 hour, what would my bias would be here? I don't have a clear bias because we are kind of disrespecting this gap. If we respect these gaps, these bearish gaps, it should send price bearish. So overall, my bias would be a bit bearish in this case. It depends on how these holds. If this gap, see, this gap is there, that's the high, that's the low. Okay, this is technically the discounted gap. From this side, this low, there's a 50% mark discounted gap. If this gets respected, what price should do? It should push bearish till where? Till it takes out few lows. Will I be able to hold till here? No. But I want condition to push it till here. So in 1 minute, this 4 hour candle is gonna close. So this is how the close was. Okay. So what we did is we have this BPR. This also acts like a magnet, a fair value gap, a fair value gap. There's something called as balanced price range. So if it wants to push bearish, what it has to do, premium discount, relative equal lows, overall bias is bullish, sorry, bearish, also bullish because don't keep bearish bias because we disrespected this gap. If we, so this should be the condition. If we respect this gap, we can push bearish at least till this low right here. I'm doing it in a bit more detailed way. Okay, so let's see what price may give here. 1 second. We have anything else? So overall, this is also a breaker right here. This whole thing acts as a breaker block. Low, high, higher, low. We broke that thing. So this whole area acts as a breaker. Gives a good bearish conviction. Hourly, again, we have this hourly internal low. So I'm leaning bearish more than bullish because high low we came to 50% mark. If it wants to push bearish, it'll do from here or these highs. So we are in that breaker, so it gives me a little more confident here. 15 minute, nothing. 5 minute. See, 5 minute, we have this gap right here. Okay. So always watch out for this thing. So this is the recent swing low, this is a recent swing high. Okay. Let's brush. This is the recent swing low. That's the recent swing high. So from this low to this high, find which fair value gap is the highest time frame. We have a 5 minute. Sorry, we have to go ulta. Okay, from low time frame to higher time frame. Eh, from low time frame to higher time frame. So right here. Do we have any gaps? No. We have this 1 minute gap. Okay. But these have like so many swings. So 1 minute no gap. 3 minute we have one gap right here. If this inverts, I without touching here, I can take entry based on this. Otherwise, if this inverts, there's a 5 minute gap. There's the highest time frame. I would wait for that. So we'll see if 3 minute inverts first. 3 minute inverts. So what I can do is I can look for shots here, put stop loss above. Where will be my break even? Right here. Why? Because we will tap that 5 minute gap. Okay, if it wants to continue pushing bullish, it'll do from here. So this is the 3 minute from that swing. So this is 3 minute swing low. This is 3 minute swing high. In that we have only 3 minute ka gap. There's no 5 minute ka gap. 5 minute is here. Will I wait till 5 minute get inverse? What I can do is just wait. I can just take entry on 3 minute inversion, put stops to break even, and let it run till external lows. That's one mistake people do. If you are new here, learn this. How do you judge respect and disrespect? So first thing, what I would do is go on to higher time frame wise. Always look for like 4 hour and 1 hour. 1 second. One. Sorry guys, sorry guys. Is Apex funding good? If you're like if you have very good win rate, it's very good. If you have bad win rate but good risk to reward, it's useless because it has that trailing drawdown. You'll get fucked if you have that. So yeah, this would be my trade. I took too much time explaining and target till here. But usually, if you keep 1 to 1, I have very good trade. Let's see if it goes. So this would be my overall trade. There's a A plus setup again. That's 1%. Okay. What my plan is, that's the swing low, swing high. That's the highest time frame gap. There's a 5 minute gap below. If it taps there, it can push higher. So our job is to reduce the risk. So what I'll do, see, once it goes there, it should have been a break even trade, bro. It's a break even trade. Yeah, it's a break even trade. See, that's how like break even helps. So what happened? 3 minute inverted. 5 minutes should have pushed bearish. It didn't push. So yeah, this would be a break even trade right there. I was telling how to how do you judge respect and disrespect, right? Go search how 4 hour and 1 hour are presenting. Right here, we are clearly pushing higher. Okay, from here pushing higher, pushing higher, pushing higher. This is overall bullish. But if you move a bit, what's on 4 hour? 4 hour is clearly bearish. We are disrespecting this gap. But if you look on premium discount, this is the most important area where you look for like price to react. So I don't care what happens here. If it's respecting till here, I can expect it to push till here. Once it comes here, I'll go with the trend. If it respects here, it should push down. So that's how I come with my bias. So this ended up hitting break even. Nothing else here. Pushed higher, but my bias is bearish until proven wrong. Okay, now we are seeing some bearish price action. 3 minute, very uncomfortable. Please skip. So right here, what's happening? Very bad price action. It did hit our low. See, this is our target, right? But the thing is that it just wicked us out, pushed bearish. So our draws were clear. Price action was a bit bad. So we have Asia low, London low also. Is my mic working? Hello, hello, hello. Can you guys hear me? I have to end fast. I have few work, so it's not. I'll just call it a day. It's working fine. So what is happening right here? See, now we tapped into, look at this rejection wick. This is called as a rejection wick. Now our condition is this. This is a very interesting case. You just put this in your mind, okay? There's a bearish gap which got disrespected. Bullish gap is there. Our condition is this. If this gap respects now, this whole bullish gap, okay. If this gets respected, where should price go? It should push higher, right? From here. Otherwise, it should push lower. But what I have here is we already disrespected this gap right here, and we are respecting this bullish gap. So I would tend to be more bullish right now. Okay. Even though we have a rejection wick, if this gets respected, price will eventually push higher, right? So that's what I like to see. We have this 1 hour internal low which got taken out. We traded into this hourly gap. Wait, let me see. I wanted a bit more deeper retracement. I'll see. Overall, it's fine. We are tapping into that 4 hour fair value gap from here. Okay, soup that again. Nice. Came to discounted price. Okay, 3, 5. So right here we have this 5 minute inversion. We have few stacked up. We have this 15 minute gap right here. So now I have to change my bias. Okay, I was bearish until proven wrong. Now it's proven me wrong. Now the price action is bullish. So if that 4 hour, this whole gap gets respected, I can look to take longs. Otherwise, I should take shorts. Where it depends on this high to low, this 50% mark right there. So right now, this 5 minute inversion is the highest time frame. Okay, now I can lower it down. We have this. There is this inversion, but a very risky one. Did it inverse? It did inverse. So right here, okay, we tapped here. We are reacting to this 4-hour gap right here, hourly gap right here. We came to that hourly last fair value gap. We reacted to this hourly order block. We took down those London lows. This was a London low. London low sweep is there. So right here, we have this 1 minute shady inversion. I'll take this trade, but with very less risk. Stops would be at this body close, or else the swing low, and target would be this unfilled 15-minute gap. Okay, so if we go on to like 15-minute gap, there's the unfilled gap. If price heads there, it can push lower, but overall nice trade. So right now, there's 1 minute inversion. There's a 3 minute. No, there's no 3 minute. There's a 5 minute inversion. No, but we are in that 5 minute gap, right? So what we can do is put stops to break even. Because now the fair value gap, okay, people don't understand this. This is the overall fair value gap. Price has already mitigated it. So fair value gap becomes like this. After that, what happened? Again, it mitigated. So the fair value gap is like this. Do you trade lunch hours? No, I don't trade lunch hours. I only trade AM session. So overall fair value gap is right there. Okay, so my break even has to be here. This is very shady trade. I'll risk 0.5% here. Okay, that's break even. We hit that 5 minute gap. Oh my god. Break even, I guess. Yeah. Hey, why? Why Nasdaq? Why? I thought it'll hit here. It came to my break even and then it went to TP. Sometimes it happens, can't do anything. Overall the bias was good. And then I could have taken partials, let it run till 2.5. Where's the next draw? Next draw would have been here, this high. So 1 is to 2. Yeah, it does run till there. So understand, right? So how did my bias come? Again, I'll repeat. There's this 4-hour gap which got disrespected. If we want to continue bullish, we created a new 4-hour bullish fair value gap. If it respect, it has to push higher. What's the best free way to backtest? Use FX replay, the one which I'm using right now. Okay, and then this has to continue bullish. Any questions? So overall, hit two break even, but both would have ended up in like win. Right now, see, right now it may go till this high, react again, push bearish. There's a 10 a.m. candle. It took out low. It should take out high from here. I'll skip this day. Yeah, this was the volatile external draws also. So overall, see, if you capture one moment, you can put stops to break even somewhere and let the runners run. It might work. I mean, most of the time it does. 10 o'clock, didn't get anything. I'll skip it to next day. No drawings, 15 minute. Okay, we are here right now. How do you label your trades like A plus? That comes with experience, bro. I have backtested a lot. I know which inversion works. I'll tell you when it shows because it depends on your this thing. You feel like it's gonna be A plus, like that it is. So right here, you guys only tell me what should be the bias. This is how the 4R is. Hourly is better. You guys tell me the bias. Is it a bearish? Is it bearish or bullish? This is very easy. You need to know where the draws are. If you don't know where the draws on liquidity are, you can't do anything. Start with the temporary. Nah, bro, it's free, bro. It's totally free. Just create some 4 5 email ID. Yeah. I have 4 5 email IDs and then I change once it shows end of backtesting, or you can delete and try again. Okay, bullish, bullish, right. One guy told bullish. Okay, so it is bullish. Why? If you see over here, what is happening right here? This hourly gaps are getting respected right here. We are disrespecting all this bearish gaps right here. We also disrespected all these bearish gaps right here. Okay, if you want to push bullish, what price has to do? Price has to like push higher, already be disrespect. If you don't know where bias is going on like 4 hour, you can like switch it to 1 hour and then see how it wants to go. So overall, if it's like it's getting disrespected, it's getting respected, right? It is similar to mech model. It's not completely same. I use mixture of like three people. It's like mech, Kane and TGRs combined. So yeah, it's not like fully mech. No, it's not fully mech. But there are similarities. Bias and all, it's probably it's like mech only. Bias I look through mech. This thing, entry wise I look for this thing. Entry wise I look for like Kane's model. Premium discount I try to fade the discount to premium. Do you sleep, bro? I sleep barely. I slept at 7 in the morning today. I had to study a lot. I really have $1 million in funding. How much would you expect per month? Probably by next year. Yeah, yeah, it takes a heck lot of time. But the thing is that you get good rest to reward. Okay, so yeah, all these gaps are getting disrespected. Where are the draws are gonna be? First is this draw blindly, bro. There's literally there's no reason. If someone says bearish is unprofitable, first is this high, second is these somewhere high, this order block. We can keep till this high. I don't know it'll go till there, but most probably it should just rip higher because respecting here, disrespecting here. Bias was clear. Now we need to look for his entry and execution. So there are few things. One is this 15-minute gap right here, 5 minute. 5 minute is here. Early. We have this early order block. 15 minute, nothing. Although we have this 15-minute order block. Okay. So I want price to retrace to some of these level, take the highest time frame inversion to this high. If potential, if it moves really higher, I can target till that high because look at this price action. So this was the wholesale model. There's the buy model. There's the last high. So I'll be comfortable taking till there. So it just slipped higher. I wanted entry here, didn't get entry. It's fine. Still bias is bullish. Uh, it sucks when you don't get an entry. Right here we consolidated again, pushed higher. What's the time? Now this unfilled 1 hour gap I can target. Okay. Nice. Tapped into 1 hour for level. Again, this is the high, this is the low. 3 minute, 5 minute. We tapped that 5 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did we wait for 5 minute? Oh my god, that's a clear buy, bro. We inverted this 5 minute gap. We tapped into that 15 minute order block. We tapped into that 15 minute gap right here. Price pushed higher. 5 minute. My entry should have been here once the candle closed. Okay, I took it on 5 minute. If the 5 minute is like this, probably I would keep it below the slow, the candle slow itself. Target this high, place order. Hope it retraces lower. Okay, push, push, push. Yes. So we took out that break even. So this would be my break even. I risk less though. I should have risked 1%. This is see that's how you hit. So you guys only know how to find bars. Now the thing that your job is to do backtesting like how I do. So take very less trade but backtest properly. See it just ripped higher. These were my draws. Okay. Still once it comes down like this, I didn't change my bias because I knew that it wants to push higher. So this was the retracement. We tapped that hourly order block. We tapped that 15 minute unfilled gap. Nice recovery. Okay. 5 minute. Why did I take 5 minute? There was no 1 minute inversion right here. There was no 3 minute right here. So there was a 5 minute. 5 minute is the highest time frame. So just enter after that this thing hits. Stop could have been on the body also. Give 1.5. It's good. See, after this, if your conviction is good, like it's ripping properly, I feel like it should go till here also. Uh, it's already 9:10. I would have closed my this thing. Bro. Damn. What day is it? Wait. Oh my God, look at this, bro. Imagine some guy got buys here. That's a 400 point move. It's good. So we tapped that 15 minute order block, hourly order block, saw this inversion, enter. Bias wise, blindly go for bias. Look, it's so obvious. So yeah, we'll move on to like next day. Do we take out this high? This is the last high. I feel like this is all time high itself. Yeah, it is all time high. I think we should. Okay, we took that all time highs. No worries, no worries. Just move a day. We'll go next day. 6:59, 15. No drawings. Okay, guys, tell me the bias. Tell me the bias right now. What should your bias be? It's also completely you can just tell it blindly. Always love these backtesting session. Thank you for so much time. No worries, bro. What should your bias be at this point? Right here. I'll mark few things. Only one mark is enough. Yep, it should be bearish. What do you think? 2 hour backtesting session on Sunday evening. Bro, I have very hectic schedule. I'll see if I can. I can do Sunday once, 1 hour. I have to go right now. I have tomorrow lab and sim. I haven't studied at all. I tried studying. I gave up. Started backtesting. Have club work. And then I'm doing this. So see. So yeah, bearish till the 4 hour low. Correct. Till here you should be bearish. Fine. If you go on to like 4 hour, 4 hour is telling us bearish. We have this 4 hour unfilled gap right here. 4 hour gap. Hourly is it telling something? Hourly we are sweeping this low. There's this one gap right here. Okay. This is actually 1 hour intermediate low. If you go on to like 1 hour, there's this 1 hour gap right here. So it is sweeping that. So there's 1 hour intermediate low. Price should be bearish till this low gets taken out. Let's see. New candle opens. We need some bearish signs. Okay. Now what do we need? Push higher, take bearish inversions, target that low. Do we get? We are forming LR. Okay? Nice trend line liquidity. Okay. If any inversion comes right here, I'm ready to take. If it sweeps out this high, good. Still bearish. 1 minute, 3, 5. So there's one here. See, 1 minute there are few candles. 3 minute, 3 minute there is one small one right here. One more is right here. So 3 minutes like that. 5 minute. Is there any 5 minute? 5 minute close, but no. So 3 minute, this whole thing has to close. So what do I wait for is this 3 minute closure below. Let me close. No. So I got saved here. Yeah, if it manipulates lower, I can trade it higher. For now, my bias is bearish because of how market has been. So I'd wanted to hit this low, then I can try taking longs from there. This would have I would have classified as A plus setup if it would have inverted because we have LR stacked up. We can put in stops to break even here, let it run till here. So right now it's respecting here. If this is getting respected, I think 1 minute, yeah. See, we inverted right here. So what is happening right here is this 3 minute gap is getting respected, 1 minute gap is getting disrespected. If that happens, always wait for this high to be taken out. See, it took out that high. Again, it should take out this high also. Yeah, it does that. I feel like we are leaving this low, bro. I feel like this fair value gap is supported and then it's pushing price higher. Very rough day. Good thing is that there's no entry here, there's no fake out or anything. Just because we are waiting for that higher time frame inversion. Okay, here. Okay, so we have this 5 minute inversion. Does it invert in 4 minutes? That's the case. That's the question you need to ask. It does invert. Hmm, nice trade. Look at this. We are tapping into this 15-minute gap right here. It's a very, very low probability if when it happens. 5 minute inverted, but people won't see. See, people would have entered trade here blindly. Inversion shots right here. Target this LR. Okay. But the thing is that this 15-minute candle, it already traded in that 15-minute gap. If this holds, it can push price higher. I would, should I take? I'll take with very, very less risk. There's a good setup, but it may fail. The chances of failing of these types of setups are high because we traded into this 15-minute gap. This could have been my break-even spot, but the way it inverted, I feel like volume should push. So I would point 0.5, point 0.3. It's no risk, okay? If this fails, understand probability is less, but it may work. 15 minute. Okay, that's nice. I'll put my stops to about this high because this fair value gap, it can still come higher, tap this fair value gap and then push lower. Why I kept here, there's one more fair value gap. This is called as a breakaway gap. A breakaway gap is something that a fair value gap which you would expect not to be traded at. Come on, bro. Break even. Yeah, it should have been a break even. Again, we form like these resistance, like LR. That's what I told you. I feel like this gap, oh, it got disrespected, then it pushed higher. Okay, there's a nice setup. This should have been a break even. I just wanted to see how it want to react there. Overall, yeah, our time's done. Oh my god, bro. Generational wealth shots, if it gives. Time is up though. We'll chop around. We'll move on to like next day. So very bad price action. If it doesn't push here, it should push here. That was the unfilled gap. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we have a news. Nice. 15 minute. Oh my. Tell me this, boss. Mm, This not on this thing. This is a 15-minute bias. I'll tell you. This was a news low. This is the news high. This is six, right? Yeah. This is news low and news high. We traded into news low. Okay. Hourly looks like this. 4 hour looks like this. What should your bias be at this point? Just text me what should your bias be. Without bias, you can't trade. That's the thing. Tell me the bias. It's literally blind. Even a kid would understand what the bias should be here. I'm giving you key hints, okay? There's a data high, there's a data low. Data low, data high. We trade into that data low. 15-minute looks like this. Hourly looks like this. 4 hour looks like this. Tell, Madi. Yep, data highs. Anyone else? Bullish. Nice. Yep, it is bullish. Because whenever there's a data low and data high, see, whenever there's a data low, data high, most of the cases is that it'll take one thing and then push to the other one. Always it happens. 99% time. At least 95% time. Once it takes out data low, it'll go to data high. Until and unless it's a very big news which just rips up higher. My iPad is falling. Which just rips up higher. That time cases are low. If the candle is under 300 points, 150 points something. It's at 150 points, yeah, around 200 points. If the candle like data high low is under like 200, 250 points, then you can trade in that range. So it took out that data low. You have a clear data high. Okay, so here I think my entry is here itself. I shouldn't wait. We we trade into this gap. Okay, this acts as a fair value gap. If you don't know, there's a new day opening gap. Okay, whenever there's a new day opening gap, this acts as a fair value gap. It tries to fill, then pushes away. So we are trading into some sort of gap. There's a order block. 15-minute, we have nothing. 5-minute, we have like this clear V-shaped recovery. I love when we have like this. A clear V-shaped recovery out of entered longs, bro. I don't care this. Stops are a little big. You can keep data highs break even and then target till this other high. What is this? This is nothing but a 4-hour unfilled gap. I like to target these unfilled gaps. There's a 1 hour also. I'll keep it till here. Okay, please play out. Otherwise, I'll get insulted, bro. Place order 1-2% risk. Will risk higher. Good setup. Rip higher. Come on. Yes, yes. Rip higher. Oh, stop stalling. Okay, once it touches here, break even. Uh, okay. Next is data high. Yay, let's go. I'm gonna close here 50%. Partials there. Next partial is that high. Does it hit? Almost, come on. Yep, it hits. Close 50% again. Let the runners run till that high. Come on, come on. Not out trailed. Should I trail? It's fine, it should go. इधर से इधर तक आएगा कि इधर से इधर तक जाएगा. It's trailing is better. We are in that 4 hour gap, so I would have probably trailed it. Trail क्यों नहीं हो रहा? Hey, oh, that's the entry one. Trail it to this low. Piece W. Easy trade, one of the easiest trade. So what did we hit from here? We hit that 4 hour high. We hit that unfilled, sorry, 1 hour high right here. From here, I don't know what price wants to do. The reason I hold it till there is that's the high, that's the low. These thing comes under like discounted area. Most probably would have closed almost everything at like this 4 hour high. It's 855. You guys understood this trade, right? Yeah, bullish for sure. Nice. At least you guys are getting bars. That's 90%. If you know where price wants to go, execution anyone can do. You just have to find the highest time frame inversion and then enter on that. Yep, it's very easy. I'll probably move to next day. Once see whenever there's a data high, data low news ke baad, after that price will usually consolidate. This you keep in mind. After we hit data highs and lows, it has nowhere to go. So most probably the consolidation hoga. That's through my experience. So after that I leave trading. Hey, I skipped day. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more 6. 15 minute. 1, 2. Okay. This is a data low and high. I don't know. Remove all drawings. Backtesting, what about Discord alert? It automatically alerts, bro. It automatically alerts. Every live stream it automatically does in Discord. Okay, so right here, what should be your bias? Again, very easy. Tell me the bias 1 second. I'll do job easy, very easy. You just have to draw two boxes. Tell me the bias. I'll go in like 5 more minutes. Probably this would be my last trade. Tell me the buyers fast. I'm trying to engage. Yep, Barish. It is bearish till where? Till all this low resistance liquidity get taken out. So we have low right here. Yeah, we have low resistance liquidity. We have low right here. So we are disrespecting this 4 hour gap. We are respecting this 4 hour gap. If it wants to continue doing that, it should push bearish. These lows looks too good to go. So my was is tricked. So let's see if we can get any entry. Thank God it didn't come. Oh, you comment on time. There's a delay. Bullish market at the low 4 hour candle and reverse. Okay. It is bearish till here, and then you can look for longs. So from here, what do I expect as IRL to sorry, IRL to ERL? So IRL is nothing but internal to external. We'll see if there is anything. Then mark out anything. So right here, high, low. There's a higher time frame CISD. So there's a 1 hour order lock, 15 minute, nothing much. 5 minute. We have this 5 minute gap right here. Price trades higher. Do we hit that hourly for order block? No, I don't. But 1 second. Oh yeah, overall bearish. We trade into that 5 minute gap. We trade into this 15 minute gap. Always watch on the times also. There's a 15 minute gap, newly gap which got created. So 5:15, everything is bearish. So from here, there's the swing low, there's a swing high. Find the highest time frame gap. There's a 3 minute, there's a 5 minute. So always wait for this 5 minute gap to get invert. If that no. Once it does like this, it moves low and a high. You can go into like low time frame, then see. Again, there's a new swing low, there's a new swing high. Okay, we tap that order block. No price action. We took that high. Again, 3 minute we have this gap. 5 minute we have this gap. I would wait for this 5 minute gap to get inverted. I'm doing it in very detail. I think I took very less trades, but this is how it should be done, I feel like. Okay, so see, we disrespected that gap. Shots right there. Stop loss at the body. I wrote this. Mm, can trade it till external here because my draws are like strong till these lows. There are few lows right here. See, these two lows are there. Overall bias is bearish. We tap that early order, early order block. 15 minute high gets taken out. 5 minute. It's just scaling down. Let me enter here. We'll keep it till the slow itself. I don't know. After that, it's very risky. My break even. I feel like I'll start trailing it down. I won't put stops to complete break even. This is a very nice trade. Just higher, nice. Am I cooked? Oh my God. Thought I was cooked there. Am I cooked? Yeah, I got stopped out there. Very bad price action. Don't tell me it's gonna hit now. Bruh. Hey, almost hit. Bias was right. What is this price action, bro? It's nice I got stopped out. But yeah, overall it played, but got stopped out. I just got wigged out. Look at that. I got wigged out. Uh, Still, we played with the bias. We just scaled it down. I feel like it's still bearish. Yeah. See, our draws are correct. I literally got wigged out. If my stops were one tick higher, it happens. Sometimes it's a little bad, but overall A plus setup again. So it's 1 o'clock. Okay, fine. This is the last one. Last backtesting this thing. Last trade which I'm gonna take. But okay, 6 o'clock. Right. Okay, now 4 hour is like this. What should be your pass? How do you learn trading? I just learned it by myself, bro. You just have to do this much. Wait, I'll show you as Notion, sir. You just have to journal every single trade which you take for like past one, how many, 2 years. Do like this. Every single chart, every reason why you took that. It's very old, but yeah, every loss you take, every win you take. It takes time. So many are there. Just go through them. I make it this thing 1 second. I deleted a few. Layout. Yeah, it's like this. Every single reason. And go through them why you take. See, there's a premium discount. Kane's model, why I was taking literally every single trade. That's the third or fourth. I used to mark daily bars also, every single daily bars, what I expect price to see. That's how I came up with this daily bars. It's very good. Where the draws wants to be. Yeah, every funded account I play. I think it's this one blueberry one. This one is the one I took payout with, and then I had few checklist. Again, few this thing. I make it gallery. Have so many. Then what is that? This one strategy. One more here. Then there's one more here. Most of the things I learned it from backtesting. There's one more here. There's the one I shared on Discord today. And then there's one more here. This is when I initially started. I think I have a few more here. Again here. I don't know. I have to go dig in and find so many are there. And then I have chart which tells what all probability. I just analyze all the things and then come. So yeah, that's it. That's how you get. I've actually shared it in Discord. I just shared the link. I did share the link. So yeah, right here, what should be your bias? If it's again blind bias. It should be bullish. We just swept out all the low resistance liquidity right here. Tomorrow live, tomorrow no news Monday. I'll see if I can come live. Otherwise, yeah, I have to end the stream fast. So sorry guys. Okay, I'll just explain why would I have take this. Low resistance liquidity. We have this bearish gap got disrespected. During in J, no. Just after JE I started. After I cleared JE. When I came to college, I started. So we have like these few again low resistance liquidity right here, unfilled 4 hour gap right there. So overall bias would be bullish. Till this high, I'm way too bullish. I just need to find entry. Where can I find entry? One is this again, a BPR, hourly gap. Go down, push higher. I'll try to take longs. Same thing. FEMA. I think premium and discount starts from here. It comes to discounted fine. Otherwise, I can try to look for yeah bias. So overall, it's bullish. Bro, it just went higher. So we tap that 4 hour gap right here. My boss was bullish till this gap gets hit. They just hit that gap. So from here, any longs you take will be risky, okay? Because we are trading in that higher time frame fair value gap. So here my bias should be neutral because look at how we ripped. So what I would do now is I would play reversal based on this because we are trading into that 4 hour gap. So we'll be trading into that 4 hour gap, 15 minute. Uh, 1 second. We remove this. Hourly, we have few unmitigated gaps. This one is good though. We have that premium one. We'll see if I can take shots still here. That would be my last trade. We have this inversion. Wait for a few more. See, you find inversion, you miss the trade. Wait for this 5 minute candle closure. If that 5 minute candle creates a fair value gap, let's say it creates a fair value gap right here. There's a 5 minute fair value gap. Let price come till here. Uh, Let price come till this 5 minute fair value gap here. If it's a bearish candle, let it come till there. Then you look for any 1 minute or 3 minute inversion. Does that happen? See, we create a 5 minute gap right there. Let it come till there or the next gap. We came into that 5 minute gap. Any inversions from this low, this high, you can take. And we get, oh, what is this price action? 1 minute, 3 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. We are in that 5 minute gap. Inverts, 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 inverts. It does. Again, a low probability trade. Or risk 0.5% here, the way it's going. But yeah, we are in that. If you mark premium discount, we are into that premium mark. We are in that 4 hour gap right now. Lord, bro. Yeah, we are in that hourly order block. 5 minute gap got did it get disrespected? Yeah, it did. Got disrespected here. I'm just speed running it. I can close somewhere here 1 to 1. Otherwise, let's see 1 to 2.8. Sometime it goes. Place orders. Save. Oh, let me risk half percent because it's a very less probability trade, but high conviction. Push, push. Yep, stops to break even. Yeah, it did hit. So that's how you hit 2.88 hour trade. Uh, yeah. You understood the point, right? Premium discount. Again, I'll tell last time. Premium discount, we tap that hourly order block right here. We came into that 4 hour order block. So till then, my bus was bullish. After that, my bus was neutral. I was seeing how it reacts. Have to reload, I guess. Okay. So it hit that 4 hour unfilled gap, swept out high again, just do scaling out. If it wants to go really bearish, you can just hold it till this unfilled gap right low. Just the LLT. For if possible, if you want high RR trades, that's how you catch. Probably it'll go, probably it won't. But if you mark high low, the discounted one should go. It does go there. That's how you catch like 6.43 hour trade. But I won't be comfortable holding that much. I'll take 1 to 1, 2 max. So yeah, with this I'll end my stream. I'll show analytics. We have 66% win rate. We have two losses. That's not two loss actually. It's one loss. I just took one loss. I don't know. Yeah, two break-even trades. Made 11% profit. 5.9 $5,900. Buys 100% win rate. Sell 50%. I did it deeply. So average risk to reward was 2. So with 2, if you have win rate more than 50%, average risk to reward is 2. You are profitable. So yeah. Live tomorrow. I'll see, bro. Tomorrow I have lab exam. If possible, I'll come. Otherwise, I won't. Tomorrow's no news Monday, I guess. Damn, Sunday holiday. Hey, we have news tomorrow. I'll come. We have news. Let me see this week. Apply. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh my God, we have news every single day, but these are tentative. I hope they happen. Not a good news, so it's fine. There's also fine news. Oh, very good month. Very good week, sorry. I'll trade tomorrow. But I'll come after 8:30. So yeah. On this I'll go guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Take care. Do like the stream. Take care. Subscribe. I'm so close to hitting 500 subs. So yeah, bye 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 bye.